back. The snow from yesterday has moved out, and it looks like some of us picked up heavy amounts of snow. Here's a look at the snowfall reports. Chadron did pick up 22 inches and counting of snow. Hay Springs at 15 inches, Alliance and Melbetta at 12, and Minutair at 11. Out toward Wyoming, Lusk picked up 10.5 inches of snow, and Pine Bluffs picked up 8 inches. Here's a look at the current temperatures outside into the lower 20s out toward Scottsbluff, Bridgeport, and Oshkosh. Near 20 out toward Kimball and Sydney. Some mid to upper teens on the map into the northern panhandle, and the winds are still mainly from a northwesterly direction. Still pretty windy out there for this time of night. Winds around 25 to 35 miles per hour sustained, and we do have some wind gusts 35 to even as high as 50 miles per hour, so definitely prepare for that as you make your way outside. There is some areas where the snow is starting to blow around a little more, so we do have visibility near 2 miles at Chadron, Gordon, Alliance. We do have some areas less than a mile visibility from Sydney out toward Oshkosh. Scottsbluff points off to the west, still looking pretty good, but the wind combined with the cold temperatures really giving us some frigid wind chills out there, with most of us having wind chill values, say between 5 below zero and 5 above zero. So prepare for that if you're spending any time outside. Here's a look at the current alerts. Well, we do have blizzard warnings in effect still for the entire panhandle and the higher elevations between Cheyenne and Laramie. That does go until the top of the next hour. That's going to be replaced by winter weather advisories from Scottsbluff points off to the south, the counties that border Nebraska and Wyoming, and still that area of high elevation between Cheyenne and Laramie. These winter weather advisories will go until 5 p.m. tomorrow. Now, as for the snow, we're still seeing some light to even moderate intensity snow showers from Chadron stretching into northern Sioux County. Other areas could have some very isolated light snowfall amounts. Otherwise, mainly cloudy skies across most of the viewing area. The storm system continues to spin and move off to the north and off to the east. Some severe weather out in front of it, especially into Alabama, now getting into Florida and Georgia. High pressure is exiting there. Another one is making its way, and the difference between the high and the low is still going to give us that strong northwesterly wind, and it'll still be cloudy and windy as we go through most of Friday before that high does take over. We'll get back to some sunshine, so watch out for some snow showers in our northern counties. Other than that, we do have mostly cloudy skies. We'll go through the day on Thursday. Actually, we could see some partly cloudy skies. Scottsbluff points off to the south. Finally, some sunshine. We're not really going to get rid of the wind or the cold air, as most of us will be into the lower 20s for highs. Then for the day on Friday, starting off in the mid to upper teens. Partly cloudy skies for most of us, but we're still into the low, maybe some mid-20s for highs. So this low pressure system is exiting. Still some scattered snow showers on the backside of the system. There's that strong wind lasting until at least early Friday. One high moves off to our south, and another one it will take over. We have some sunshine for the day on Saturday. We're still going to keep that strong northerly wind, though, but notice the highs are following the jet stream off to the south. We'll look at that one tomorrow, but with a high to our south, we're still going to stay in the cool air, and we cannot warm up. No 50s on the map as we make our way through the next week or so. We're going to stay well below average. So windy conditions, mostly cloudy skies, turning partly cloudy. Highs around 24 the next couple of days, mid to upper 20s over the weekend with more sunshine, and then only down to 17 for Monday, partly cloudy, but up to 30 on Tuesday. Still mainly dry until next Wednesday, when we just have a chance of some light snow showers in the afternoon and evening, after reaching highs only near 21 degrees. Otherwise, partly cloudy skies. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. Major shipping deadlines for holiday delivery are just days away, and holiday volume and winter weather will put big carriers to the test. If you're sending gifts across the country or to service members stationed aboard, key details about when and how to send packages